is Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to the daily stock market analysis show. And this is analysis for November 10th, Thursday, expiry day tomorrow, 2022. So we had a new all-time high in the banking index today. But the bulls got trapped in the Nifty. Right. Let's look at the charts, and this is the Nifty charts that you're seeing here, and it's not a time to see the weekly, but weekly we know that it has been at a breakout zone on the Nifty and the Banknifty. That trend line breakout is what we're talking about. The confirmed weekly candle, reconfirmation of a weekly candle could come or may not come this week, right? If it doesn't come, it's a fake breakout that happened in the Nifty, and if it comes, it's a reconfirmation on the Nifty. But Banknifty taking its own sweet time to get to the first confirmation week. The week still has a couple of days more to trade. So the daily charts, if you look, we are seeing a bull trap day where the price went over the previous day candles high and then closed below that close of the previous day. So it's a bearish day, wide range bearish candle on the Nifty that is seen, and how much is that? 46 points lost. That's a flattish close more, close to close basis, you see, because it is an up move attempt and then falling into the selling pressure and then closing down. That's what I meant, right? But Banknifty is different. It managed to close over the previous candle's high. There is no gap up in the Banknifty, but Nifty had a gap up. Remember that it didn't fall in the selling pressure. Banknifty didn't have a gap up, but managed to close over the previous candle's high. Right? Now there's a red candle. It managed to close with a green of nearly 100 points, 96.5. That's again flattish, but managed to close green. But in between, while it was doing that, Banknifty had made a new all-time high, a historic high level was created today. That was near to 948, 41,948.90. So the clear upside resistance would be 42,000. Rounding number would be major resistance to take out. And above that, we'll have to, so it's an expiry day tomorrow, so we don't have to worry about that. It would be, if it was breaking out, it would try to close at the 42,000 nearby levels, most likely. Right, so that's where we are. Let's look at the exact details, right? The flattish close of losing some points in Nifty and gaining some points in the Banknifty. It's a big bull trap in the Nifty, but it's a managed, not a green candle, but managed closing possible candle. Intraday it was trended down more after an up move in the Nifty and range bound more in the Banknifty, right? 15 minutes candle. You can see that it is mainly range bound in 250 points range, right? Zigzag that up move. It never was trending down like in Nifty. So that's about it. And Bollinger Bands are clearly showing an upside expansion. Momentum is clearly showing bullish momentum, and there was a bearish momentum divergence that was seen on the Nifty, which worked out. And today now there is a bullish divergence that is seen on the Nifty. And trend indicators are also bullish, and both are strength of these trends are rising. Levels to watch is 18,351, the new swing high resistance upside. After that, 18,500 may be having some kind of rounding number effect, and then 18,100 near downside would be previous swing low. So 18,000 or 17,992 would be support zone downside, and then 18,39 support zone outs after that. Banknifty 81,840 and 42,000 resistance upside. 41,640, 678 is the support downside previous swing low, and 40,530 the support after that, right? Previous swing low. So volatility movement trend we already seen. Price patterns show some pullback after a decent rally in the Nifty, but Banknifty is not showing that pullback. Right? So overall the price action also is in favor of the bulls, you can say. Right? Trend momentum volatility trend anyway. VIX spiked slightly 2%, that's all, but still below, managed close below the 15.91 it is, right? Future open interest is showing short build up. Nifty was having short covering yesterday, but today it's a short build up. Long build up is made in the futures oil and the Banknifty. to the levels for the expiry, weekly expiry of November 10th, 18,000 and 18,300 is the levels to watch. 41,500 and 42,000 is the levels to watch on the Bank Nifty. Weak put call ratio on Nifty and bullish put call ratio on the Bank Nifty. Above 1 is bullish, 0.61. So Bank Nifty having an upper edge in the put call ratio in the upper interest as well. Sectoral performance, if you see all except FMCG, all was underperforming, 0.5% to 1.5% down. FMCG was kind of flat, or just 0.25% lost. So all the sectors are bullish except the IT, pharma and realty. 3 sectors are yet to catch up in the bullish. All major sectors are bullish on others. Auto sector is having a bullish post-reverse divergence now, which is bullish in nature. It can bounce up, just taking the momentum support, but the price is moving up. Heavyweights, Nifty and Kodak Bank managed to close green. Green in the sense 0.25 to 0.60%, small green. Nifty and Kodak Bank. TCS Bank closed red, 0.5 to 0.75. Rest others were all flat. So HDFC Twins and Reliance is maintaining the bullish momentum. Rest is all in the sideways momentum. Institutional participation, if you see, it's 386, nearly 400 crores of buying again. It's a 9th consecutive day of buying that is happening by the foreign institutions. But domestic institutions, 1,000 crores selling. So it was the domestic institutions that was booking the profit and selling today. So profit booking is what has happened today most likely. Crude oil is showing some pullback to less than 87, so it's good, it's consolidating, but it is bound to head towards the 100 levels, the channel top, because it's there's a trend line channel where the prices and the weekly charts. Total index is also showing some pullback, some consolidation is happening. It's still at 110 levels, 110 below levels. Still a multi-decade high levels. USD INR also has a small pullback. It has fallen below the 82, 81.32 is the closing now. Both have the USD INR and dollar index having the sideways momentum. So some cool off pullback has happened, but not enough. Still the rupees at the weekly levels. Dollar is shooting at the multi-decade highs. Gold has fallen off and then climbed back now. It is trying to maintain that level and or further bounce up from there to the next resistance is what it's doing. So it's in the sideways momentum now. It's showing some green flag now. Use indices are showing red. So use indices are attempting to break the resistance where it is, and we have to keep a close watch before the pre-market. Then then we'll come to know what performed the previous night, and that's how it is. If big moves are happening, obviously there are chances of our market getting impacted, but sometimes it is ignored. Yesterday we had a very good Dow Jones, but we had a holiday, non-trading day, and then market reacted differently. Although we had a Dow Jones and all other US indices which is green, we could not close green on the Nifty. Obviously it was profit booking that might have happened today. Yeah, so keep a close watch on the US indices. No major events this week. 2 stock picks, Bank of Baroda and ITC, both are long. I'll just quickly show the charts. You can understand by their long calls. Bank index is breaking out. It has shown strength today, and it has clearly shown a breakout. What kind of breakout is there? If you let us see the weekly chart, surrounding pattern breakout. Breakout is confirmed. Stop loss can be neckline, and then momentum is also in the bull zones. Trend is also in the bull zones. No doubt about that. ITC has been breaking out for sure. FMCG is only sector that is performing good today. Yeah, it's striking out, confirmed. You already know that. There's no doubt about that. And it is a rounding pattern breakout, confirmed, and a lot of way to go. About 360 managers, then it can really go up. There is a momentum divergence. Momentum is in the bull zones. Trend is in the bull zones. Not about the bullishness. Stop loss can be the neckline of the rounding pattern breakout zone, right? So it's position as well as a swing trade opportunities can come. So ITC and Bank of Baroda, both on the long side. Now, having seen all this, let's just wrap up. So it was a bull trap day on the bull trap day on the Nifty, while Bank Nifty made a quiet all-time high, right? Managed to close green as well. So there is Bank Nifty was lagging behind. Now Nifty is lagging behind. That's clearly the domestic institutions or retailers are booking the profit. That's what might have happened today. But given the price band expansion, the price action overall, right, holding the 18K tomorrow's expiry, and rising momentum in trend indicators, moving average above price, big school of institutional buying, put call ratio. All of this indicates that tomorrow also is a mild bullishness. That's what the charts are saying. Charts and the data is saying. So US market is gaining strength and trying to move further up, but you'll have to keep a close watch, as I said earlier. Rupees, some pullback has happened, but momentum support is taken on the short term and can bounce up. So be cautious. VIX is cooled up and below 16 is good. Now again, the risk is a little less. Sentiments are cooled off. That's what I see. That is also good. 16,650 is the level, and 18,351 is the levels from the bull side and bear side. On the bear side and bull side for the Nifty, and 37,000 and 42,000 is the bear and bull sides on the Banknifty on the medium term. But for tomorrow, 18,300 and 18,300 is the Nifty, and 41,500 and 40,000 is the level for the weekly expiry tomorrow. Right. So VIX is cooled off, but it can spike back anytime. Uncertainty is still there. It is not cooled off really. Right, but this week it may go like this because, right, if I are constantly buying, that is a very good thing. Right, that's price momentum is maintained. Does not crack the momentum. Momentum is still maintained. Banknifty is also turned to green now. So price can move up. Breakouts can eventually happen this week. It doesn't happen Friday. If it doesn't happen, probably next week. But tomorrow, probably it may be trying to maintain those levels. That is, decided by the option writers mainly. Right. So that's it. So that's a view, a mild bullish view for tomorrow. And if that this video and the content, the different parameters that the technical analysis study that we done based on all these parameters, if that helped you in some way or the other to frame your trade plan and your view on the market for tomorrow, then definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Hit the like button, put in your comments, feedback, and share it to maximum. We have very few subscriptions. I appreciate the help in this regard. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye-bye.